Hi people, hi. I will be showing you how I work with application MyPaint. I use layers, next. When you double click by left mouse button, you can lock layer, or we also have different modes. And in settings, you can turn white theme when you go to view. Where dark theme variant is up to you. I prefer to work using bright and gray theme, bright theme. Many people like dark theme, so you can turn this feature on. Compatibility, pigment, I use pigment. Because the top layer only without blending colors. You can blend colors if you use this option. I don't know if I showed this, if I should turn this on. But this option is newer. We have different modes because there is old version of the program. MyPaint 2.0.1 is from 2020 year. I wish they could release this year newer version because it is over 4 years old. That application. It had been released over 4 years. Time runs quick, people, because I can remember that date. General public license, open source. It is completely free of charge application. And so also I will create new layer for painting hair. Let me go upload another video tutorial. Because I uploaded very important video tutorial, especially when you work with different brushes. I use that brush at the moment, but make sure you don't increase opaque multiply, because this will leave a mark on your canvas. I turn this feature off completely. Opaque multiply, you don't need to turn this on because it will leave an ugly mark on your canvas. And you also have to consider option export. We have format PNG. Oh, open raster PNG. I will check what that extension is for because I never used that extension. Show background. That's interesting. I have to check this. Sort by date. Oh, but it will be in much higher resolution when you export PNG. I'm not talking about the different settings. I am focusing on using layers, color selector. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to quickly choose your color which you already modified before. Like color history. By left mouse button, I will move this. Edit brush settings. Hardness. I have to increase hardness little bit. Radius. I don't know how to pronounce in English properly. Oh, I think I forgotten to mention one thing when I work with brush opacity. I forgotten to change that setting. The reason why I am working with layers, I will explain to you in a minute. For example, if you want to draw on the top or over your head, I will use different brushes to show to you what I will do later on with with my hair. There are some interesting brushes what I want to use copy to you, especially this one. You can see what I'm doing with brush. I'm glad that I work in with 4K resolution. You can see you can see uh, what I'm doing. I use it like rake brush, so I can do lots of stuff with hair. But another thing is, this one I had to increase slightly. Smudge length, maybe to up to 97. But make sure you copy, because you can still export your brush. Custom brushes, MyPaint my brushes 2020. Or even if you install brushes from scratch, you can still import it. Because they have been they have been exported to zip file. I cannot really replace. If you have none of the brushes in the library, you can import the library. But we have got already library. Do not worry about that. But I showed it to you, that option. Even if you want to draw on the top of that hair, you can still draw, and you can use different mode. I will show you in a minute. Give me a few seconds, because this doesn't look too good. But in a minute, after when I do some modifications of the hair, I can still paint on the top of this. Even if I choose different mode, for example, multiply, I want to choose multiply, and your color of your hair will be darker. At least colors will not overlap like in Krita, because when I tried to use multiply layer, the colors were overlapping. So we can rename a top hair. So you can quickly hide this. You can even merge visible layers, merge layer down, but I wouldn't do that, because we need that. You can still use rake brush to fix any issues. And you can see how beautiful you can create separate items. You can draw head and hair separately. And I hope you like my video tutorial. I should really talk about the different modes because there are too many different modes which you can use. Oh, we have also reposition layer. I didn't use this option. Edit layer in external application. I never knew about that option. What did that MyPaint mean? Probably in GIMP. Probably when you export in TIFF to TIFF format. I don't know if MyPaint has this option. I can only see PNG, JPG, and multiple PNGs. I didn't export like that. Open raster, PNG, that option. What is this? Multiple PNGs by layer. I will have to check that because I didn't use this option. Okay. Separate files. Well, in this case, I will have to get back. Let's check this. Very interesting. I never used that option. I have to check this. Actually, you can export PNG files to separate layer. But the only problem is I don't know what about visible. It doesn't have a white background, but you can still export separate files. Okay. You can even use option called revert. It will remove any undo operations. So you cannot use undo anymore. But your program will work faster. Export. I think let's check if your skill will be able to import in Krita. I believe you could skill import in GIMP or Krita. Krita supports open raster file. Okay, let's check this. Open raster. Maybe I will save the separate files for Krita. For Krita. Because new version of Krita has been released not long time ago, and we will have to check if Krita will deal with open raster file. Because Krita also has very beautiful library brushes, but not as good as MyPaint brushes. But Krita has animation features. What I should do open? Where is open raster? Open raster. Oh, I'm very interested in if I can import open raster files. Yes, you can still import to Krita application open raster file. Krita is fully compatible with MyPaint, and the new version works wonderful. flawlessly. The new version works flawlessly.
Flawlessly.
I just wanted to check this word because I wasn't sure how to write down this word. I come from Poland and I still learn English, but I like Geeky dictionary because this utility helps me a lot, and I hope you like my video tutorial. And if you want Krika to work properly, if you use 4K monitor, you go to settings, configure Krika, in display option, I believe, and now general, window, and you have to enable this setting because it didn't want to have it didn't have big icons, and now I am happy because I can. Oh, Krika even has ability people to import layers from MyPaint. Oh, this makes me really happy, people. Oh, wonderful, amazing! I will save this. I don't know. But the thing is, I showed Krika. Wait a minute. Where's default? Where's default option? Save as. Krika document. You can save to Krika document. If you want to work with Krika, I am very happy that this program has ability to import open raster files. Let's check if I can still import the document. Oh, we still have block separate layers and nothing disappeared. You can still continue to work inside the Krika because both programs are great.